How to install a curved screen. Put the lock pin in open position. Loose the M8 screw. Join two hanging bars together. There are different curve angles on the hanging bar, with angles of -7.5 degree, -5 degree, -2.5 degree, 0 degree, +2.5 degree, +5 degree, 7.5 degree, +10 degree. Tighten the screw after you choose the angle. Fix the hanging bar on steel ropes. Always hold the panel on the top locks. Have the male pin stick out. Lift the panel straight up. Slide the female lock to its closed position. Tighten the panel by turning the male lock. Choose the same curve angle as the hanging bar. Tighten the screw on the curving female lock. Push the male lock through and turn the handle by 90 degrees to lock the panels horizontally. Tighten the connection further by turning the handle upwards. Panel to panel, up down. It follows the same procedure as installing the first row. Push the male lock. Close female lock with your thumb. Tighten the panel. Maintenance. There are 4 locks on the power box. Open them first. Then put the fingers under it at the top or bottom area to open up. The power box is connected to cabinet by pins. No need to remove any cables. When put it back, make sure the holes are in the alignment pins. Push and lock up to fix it. Rear service. The module is fixed to cabinet by magnets, so you can directly push it out by hand and take it out from the back. When installed, reverse the procedure. Front service for outdoor models. Find the service holes on the module. Screw in the service tool to attach to the one you want to replace. Pull out after you tighten it. Reverse the procedure when put it back.
Absen. Leading LED applications.